Hey guys, we're here with another Where's the Gum box break auction. This one for 2011 Topps Precision mini box. Current time is 12:29 on Thursday, March 1st. And here is our buyer list for the Precision. The number on the left will be the tiebreaker order. Alright, and we'll get started here. Here's our mini box. Alright. Let's get started here. Thick pack. I want to thank everybody for bidding, and be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel for a chance at a free box break. For first 100 subscribers will get entered into a drawing for a shot at a free box break. You do have to have a YouTube account to be eligible, or else I have no way to contact you. Here we go. We got Chad Ochocinco for the Patriots. Let's set these down here. We can go one at a time. Chad Ochocinco for the Patriots. These are thick cards. It's a thick base card there. Ochocinco. Kenny Britt for the Titans. And here's our hit here. It's an autograph. Alex Green. Autograph patch there for the Green Bay Packers. Alex Green doesn't appear to be numbered anywhere. So we got our hit was Alex Green of the Packers, and then the last base card is LeGarrette Blount of the Buccaneers. So here's the highlight of the mini box here. Alex Green for the Packers. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and be sure to check out my other box break auctions on eBay under the seller name Where's the Gum.